Hello students, welcome back to our English grammar class. Today our third chapter is about pronouns. What do you mean by pronouns? A pronoun is the word that replaces the name of a person or object. In place of a pronoun, which word we use? Which words are known as pronouns? See here, examples are given. He, she, it, I, they, we, us, you, etc. These all words are pronoun. Now let's understand with some examples. Samir is my brother. He is 3 years old. What it is been given first? Samir is my brother. He is 3 years old. First, Samir is my brother. So here noun is used. Now in second sentence, he is 3 years old. So in place of noun, in place of a name of Samir, he is used. Okay. So this he is a pronoun. Okay. Now next. The tree is tall. It has beautiful green leaves. Here we are talking about tree. And when we are using pronoun for non-living things or any animals or bird, which word we use? We use it. The tree is tall. It has beautiful green leaves. So here it is a pronoun. Why are you crying? Are you afraid of me? So here which word is of pronoun? You. Very good. I study in class 3. I study in class 3. I is pronoun. Very good. Now we will solve one exercise. We will pick and underline the pronoun. First one is, when the lion saw the man, it sprang upon him. So here which word is used instead of noun? Again read the sentence properly. When the lion saw the man, it sprang upon him. Here which word is pronoun? Yes, it is pronoun. Second, did I not tell you to be punctual, Raman? So here which word is used instead of noun? We will read again. Did I not tell you to be punctual, Raman? So your word I and you. These two words are pronouns. Good. Third, he likes to read books. He likes to read book. Very good. He is pronoun. She is a shy girl. She is a shy girl. Yes, very good. She is a pronoun. Very good. You should always speak the truth. You should always speak the truth. Which word here is a pronoun? You. Sixth, we boil water in a kettle. We boil water in a kettle. We, very good. Here we is a pronoun. We is used instead of a noun. See what is subject pronouns. These are the words we use in place of noun when we are using subject pronoun. I, singular. We means more. That is plural. In plural we will say we. Singular, you. And plural also you. In this you and you, singular plural, both will remain same. Singular he, singular she, and singular it. In these three places, which we will use plural word? That is they. Very good. Subject pronoun. A subject pronoun takes the place of a noun. That is pronouns that do an action. First one, I am reading a book. It is good. A book is replaced with it word. So, it is a subject pronoun. I am reading some books. Some books means plural form, more books. It is been replaced with they. I am reading some books. They are good. So, here they is subject pronoun. John works for a big company. He is a manager. John is being replaced with which word? He. So, he is a subject pronoun. John and I work for a big company. We are managers. So, here we are talking about two person. So, plural it is we. We is a subject pronoun. Now we will solve this exercise with correct subject pronoun. You all also repeat the sentences with me. First one is done for us. My name is Ram. I am 10 years old. I is subject pronoun. First one. My name is Sia. Dash am 10 years old. Here which subject pronoun will come? I. Very good. Here are Mohit and Seema. Dash are my brother and sister. Here we are using two person. Here we are using two person. So plural it will be they. They are my brother and sister. This is our school. Dash is the last building in the street. We are talking about school. That is non-living thing. Which word will come in non-living thing for subject pronoun? It. It is the last building in the street. Fourth, good morning children. Dash may sit down now. So here we are talking about children. Plural you. Very good. You may sit down now. Here is our cat. Dash likes fish. Okay. So for animal birds, which subject pronoun we are using? It. So here is our cat. It likes fish. I asked my friend, will Dash help me with my work? Think. I asked my friend, will Dash help me with my work? Which word will come here? Which subject pronoun? You. Good. Will you help me with my work? 7. Mother says that Dash will be late today. Mother says that she will be late today. Very good. Dash promised that we will help you. Dash promised that we will help you. Which word will come here? Which subject pronoun? We. Good. We promise that we will help you. Mania and Sana woke up late today. Dash were late for the exam. Here the name of the two girls are given, Mania and Sana. So, what will be the plural form of Mania and Sana? They. Very good. They is a subject pronoun used here. They were late for the exam. Tanya loves book. Dash is reading a book on magic. Who loves book? Yes, Tanya. Which word will we use in place of Tanya? She. She is reading a book on magic. Very good. Now we will see object pronoun. Now what is this object pronouns? Object pronouns are used when the pronoun is the object of the verb. They can be first, second or third person. They can also be singular or plural. Here the pronoun is the object of the verb, or you can say receive an action. The object pronouns are me, us, him, her, it, you and them. These are the object pronouns. Me, us, him, her, it, you and them. These are object pronouns. Now, when we are using singular of me, the plural will be us. Singular it and plural them. Singular him or her and the plural will be them. Okay. Now let's understand this object pronoun with this exercise. Underline the object pronouns in the paragraph given below. Sam and Neha planned to visit mom and me yesterday afternoon. Here which word is object pronoun? Which word? Me. Yes, very good. Me is object pronoun. We waited for them all afternoon. So here which is object pronoun? Them. Very good. Mom called them up to find out what had happened. Think and answer. Mom called them up to find out what had happened. Here which word is object pronoun? Them. Very good. Sam received the phone call and explained her that they had an assignment to submit. So they got late. Read the sentence properly. Sam received the phone call and explained her that they had an assignment to submit. So they got late. So here many object pronouns are used. Let's pick them out. Which are they? First one is her. Very good. Second one is they. Good. And third one is again they. So they got late. Very good. The mom asked him not to worry and visit us whenever possible. So here which word is used of object pronoun? See the sentence properly. Read it. The mom asked him not to worry and visit us whenever possible. Yes, here the word him and us. These both are the object pronouns. Okay. Mom is the subject and him and us are two object pronoun. Now we will see the next exercise. Fill in the blanks with suitable object pronouns given. First, Dad, may I go shopping with you? Here the already answer is given, you. So here no need to write anything. Second, can you tell me the way to the bus stop? Yes, the answer is can you tell me? Very good. We are going to Paris next year. Will you come with? Will you come with dash? So the correct answer is us. Very good. Next, our grandfather picks dash from school every day. Our grandfather picks dash from school every day. So here what is the correct answer? Our grandfather picks us from school every day. Very good. Here is a picture of dash. when I was in the football team. What will come? See, three options are given. Us, me, here. Here is a picture of us. Very good. Here is a picture of us when I was in the football team. Our friends are important to us. Very good. Our friends are important to us. My teacher has asked Dash to prepare well for the test. My teacher has asked Dash to prepare well for the test. Your correct answer is me. The teacher asked me to prepare well for the test. Please give Dash the paper. Please give them the papers. Very good. The correct answer is them. Rahul helped Dash to finish my homework. Rahul helped Dash to finish my homework. Here the correct answer is me. Rahul helped me to finish my homework. Last. Mom read out a story to Dash last night. Mom read out a story to us. Very good. So, us is the correct answer. Now we will solve one more exercise. The last exercise, that is read and state proper nouns in sentences given below as subject or object pronouns. So here we have to write down S for the subject pronoun and O for the object pronoun. First one. We are late for school today. We are late for school today. So here which pronoun is mentioned here? We. We is which pronoun? That is subject pronoun. Very good. Second, I am 7 years old. I am 7 years old. Yes, very good. I is the pronoun. Which pronoun? Subject pronoun. Very good. He drank a big bowl of soup. He drank a big bowl of soup. Very good. He is pronoun. Which pronoun? Subject pronoun. Very good. Ram will meet us at the party. Ram will meet us at the party. Us is the object pronoun. So we will write down O for the object pronoun. Sia told me an interesting story. Sia told me an interesting story. So me is a pronoun. Which pronoun? Yes, that is O for object pronoun. Rohan will meet me in the evening. Rohan will meet me in the evening. Very good. Me is object pronoun. So we will write down O for the object pronoun. So this was all about pronouns and subject pronoun and object pronoun. Thank you.